How do you primarily source all of these properties? I mean, that you're talking about a pretty significant volume here. You must have
Yeah,
a team, acquisitions team yourself, and then hitting up every wholesaler in town.
absolutely. So we have 4 full-time acquisition people in Memphis, 2 full-time acquisitions people in Little Rock. The MLS is not the primary source of our housing by any means, but you can rest assured if a listing is published at 9 a.m. that might suit us, we are standing in the yard at 9:30. When I joined in 2009, the whole country was choking on foreclosures, no exception to Memphis. That has dwindled to the tiniest trickle these days. About 85% of our deals are off market when we buy them. And there are wholesalers that are not technically employees from us, but they know our buy box and they are out there hitting it full time for us. We deal a lot with wholesalers for sure.
Just to remind everybody, head over to midsouthhomebuyers.com, midsouthhomebuyers.com. Learn a little bit more about what Liz's team is doing there. If you found some value in what we're talking about so far, do us a quick favor and share this with one of your investor friends too.
Absolutely. And one thing, all of our properties are up on the website. And one thing I like folks to know, they're all under contract to investors at the top of the wait list. My wait list is only 45, 50 days, but I slowed down how I offer the properties out to folks so that new investors have some time to reflect and to think. And it's not as competitive for the properties as it would be if I was offering one house to 500 people at once. And the reason looking at those, so there's probably 60, 100 rental properties that anybody listening to us right now can just go look and cruise. And we're a very formulaic business model. Rent determines price, period. It's a formula. It's the same renovation every single time. Same kitchen, same bathroom, same bushes, same shutters. And essentially, if somebody likes 123 Maple Street today, I will have 234 Pine Street, 1 block up and 2 blocks over for it. And it's going to be the same price, zip code, rent, cash flow base, all the way down. Doing it a long time, you just learn what not to do and what works. And we kind of hit what works hard. And so that can be a fun thing to play with. And we have a cash flow calculator on there that's really unique. You can change it from cash to finance. You can change your down payment. And every property on the website reloads. You can sort by cash flow and stuff. So anyway, it's a fun thing to play around with.